Right, I've not filmed an introduction, so you'll have to make do with this masterpiece. So apparently there was recently uncovered a Second World War air raid shelter underneath Westfield Street in St. Helens, underneath the Beecham's building and what is now Momo's cafe. So this is like the St. Helens Star local newspaper, that's their website, saying that they've recently uncovered this air raid shelter that was used to connect the two buildings. They've been down there and found a huge space after draining the water. They found some furniture as well. The air raid shelter under Westfield Street, which was converted from a Beecham storeroom for use in the Second World War in the area. So they've been down and they found a light bulb, a chair, some old light switches, and there's rooms down there. So I've just been down there with special permission. I got some video on, so let's have a look at what it looks like then. Tank, that's a good pub. Band on in there later. So that must have been underneath here. And all that was Beecham's offices, apparently. Oh, right, there you go. So this is the air raid shelter, or is part of it?
I don't know.
There we go.
So there's another light. Did you bring your camera? Yeah.
I've got the camera going, so I just get a bit of footage.
Ooh, this just doesn't feel right at all. There's definitely a hole in these windows.
Oh, this is... I just hope I don't fall over. This is just the first time I've worn waders. Where's my phone?
Oh, I'm not wet. Right, this is what we're doing.
Right, try to be careful.
Definitely a hole in this shoe. You alright?
Yes, just, yeah. So somebody's been down there and is digging or uncovering stuff, haven't they?
Yeah.
See how far they go.
It was in, no one's been down here apart from my other friends.
Toilet.
So now I'm here walking out.
Sorry. The batteries on that torch are a bit loose. If you just tap it,
Yeah, there you go.
it should come back on. Is it? Oh, there we go.
Now, is that wood there?
Oh, looks like something, doesn't it?
Yeah, look. Oh my god, what is that? Is it alive? I hope not.
Alright, so that's blocking something off, isn't it?
Yeah. What? We don't know.
Alright, that could... Yeah, that could go anywhere. Flooded, right?
I am soaking wet. That should just come in without them on.
Is it wood or metal?
I don't know.
Looks like wood.
God, do I have to floor better back away? God, this is weird.
Oh, yeah.
Wood. Definitely wood there. So that's blocking something off. That's something's behind there.
Yeah.
been waiting for somebody to say me for so long now.
Yeah, well there's other rooms down here as well. Yeah. There's another room down there. Oh, where are you? I don't want to disappear. Don't leave me on my own. Oh, you're there? Curious, isn't it?
Definitely curious. I just love like this. Fabulous. All the way to space.
Yeah.
Is there anything through there?
Well, there's another flooded room through there. Right, I wouldn't want to go down there. I mean, it's a bit spiky.
That's where they filled it in from.
Yeah.
So, it actually smells like a chemical factory. You know,
All right.
like
Oh, yeah.
the chemistry room in
Yeah.
school. Sulfate.
All right. Like Beecham's,
Eggs.
isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's well, Beecham, isn't it?
Look at that. There's just a big. Well, there's a flooded room. There's some. I don't like a bench or something at one end down there, and
A what?
a bench or something down that end, and it goes further around there. Yeah, I'll move over a bit. Oh, watch your footing. See the far corner there? That looks like it goes further, but I wouldn't. I don't know, right? Oh, you only live once, don't you? Yes.
Okay.
I think once you're in the water, you should be alright because it's flat. There's no rubble in the water. You just need to watch them girders, I think. May as well.
There's no lake monsters. It's so weird being raised. It's cold, really cold. Oh look! Just let a whole load of water in.
Oh,
I'm scared. No, I'm scared.
it's not right to come in.
Oh, there's a bloody hole. There's an entrance out. It doesn't go anywhere.
Careful your footing, I think, yeah. No, it should be alright.
Where's that hole?
Look at that light fitting up there. Alright, I think there's
There's an exit.
a way out up there, isn't there? That'll. Well, the Bell and Barrel. Used to be the Bell and Barrel pub, didn't it? I think that's something else now, isn't it?
There used to be the down bar here.
Yeah, the Dally Bar is
Yeah.
your place, but yeah, sort of like behind, sort of like where the car park is. Ooh, it's cold. Yeah, this has got a leak. This is the first time we've worn waders. Yeah. And the leaking. Here we go.
What is my life at all?
Just watch your foot in here. Just carefully, yeah. Bit of what's under the water here, I think. A box or a bench or something.
Oh, so the beach, sea breeze, been out with me, don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Look, I need date on this bottle.
Oh, is there a date on it?
No, we need one.
Yeah. It's something old and made of wood and metal. I wonder what that is.
I don't know, it's very thick.
It looks old. Whatever that is, some of the original fittings or something. I don't know what that is.
What's that?
Look, so that bit's metal, although this is wood here, so that's something. Original fittings or something.
These are coming out.
Oh right. Oh yeah. Oh they're.
Yeah.
Oh definitely. Yeah.
We need to date these.
Yeah, they're old jars or something.
Pockets. We've got pockets in yours. Okay. Nice.
Yeah, get them cleaned up in the cafe and. Stirring up the mud on the floor. Yeah, I'll come round I think and head to the wall because there's all stuff there. Right, look at this air conditioning. And the kitchen sink.
Jar. Somehow, somewhere along the way. The jar's probably useless. What the hell are we looking at here?
Feet first, I think.
We found an urban. Yes. Please. Well, it tells you who